How to do, bake chicken breast. Follow these easy steps to reward yourself with delectable, mouth-watering baked chicken. Instructions: Step 1. Season both sides of the breasts with salt, pepper, garlic salt, poultry seasoning, and paprika. Lay the breasts in the baking dish, brush them with the beaten egg, and sprinkle with Italian bread crumbs. Step 2. Bake the chicken breast for 50 minutes and serve. Did you know? The Chilean Araucana breed of chicken lays bright blue and green eggs. Step 3. Place the breasts in the baking dish or pan, leaving space between them so they don't touch. Quick tip: remove the skin from the breasts for a low-fat dish. Step 4. Run the breasts under cold water to rinse off excess blood or impurities. Step 5. Pat the chicken breasts dry with a clean paper towel and discard the towel. Step 6. Use the knife to trim excess fat from the chicken. The leaner the meat, the better it is for you. Step 7. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees.